You've been dreaming of starting an Etsy shop for ages, but you don't want to handle the inventory, shipping, and all that hard work? This is where Printify comes in, and you can start an Etsy shop with print-on-demand products. And in this video, I show you exactly how to do that and how to automate your Etsy shop with Printify. Let's get started. So if you've been wondering, selling on Etsy with Printify is super easy. All you have to do is go to your Printify dashboard, connect your Etsy store, and then every single product that you will click publish on from Printify will automatically sync into your Etsy store. And when somebody orders that item, it will automatically be sent to them by Printify. And you can also enable personalization for some items that you have in your store, which makes it even more profitable for you to start an Etsy store with Printify. So let's take it step by step. What do you need to do? After you've connected your Etsy store through Printify, you go to the Printify catalog and browse it. You need to start by picking a product, let's say a tote bag. In this video right here, I talk about Printify's 5 most profitable products to sell. So if you want to check that out after this video to learn which type of products you can start selling right now, you can do that. So you do some Etsy research, you think of a design that is unique and on brand. You upload your design into your Printify account, adjust the placement, and create your mockups. When you hit publish, that product goes straight into your Etsy shop as a live listing. A pro tip that I have for you is to go ahead and subscribe to Printify Premium. And the reason for that is you get lower costs for branding, digitization, and lower costs for products in general. So if you have a high volume of orders, by subscribing to Printify Premium, that will help you get more money from your customers into your own bank account because you're paying less for the production and shipping of those items. So now as the brand idea, we can do Soulful Mornings Co., a cozy, mindful, and aesthetic morning theme. So for millennials and Gen Zs who love coffee rituals, journaling, and girly lifestyle content. So you can start with a product line from Printify, such as you can do mugs with designs that say, but first coffee and intentions, or a minimal line art mug with steam, travel tumbler, hot coffee, cool mindset, or aesthetic pastel design with sunrise illustration. You can do self-care or productivity journals, wall art prints, cozy apparels, tote bags, and so much more. So with Printify, your options are unlimited. But what I can suggest you do is think of a brand idea, start with a type of product for that brand and a type of customer in mind. And once you do that, your brand can take off really easily. But another thing that you really want to know when selling on Etsy is that Etsy is its own platform. So when somebody comes into Etsy, they search something in the search bar, for example, it has its own algorithm. So you'll need to do some research before posting some product. And your listings need to be really well optimized as well. You need really good product photos, but thanks to Printify, you already get those product mockups. You need to optimize your listings title, description, and tags with highly searched keywords. I have plenty of videos on my channel on how to research highly searched keywords on Etsy so you can know exactly which products to choose once you want to start your Etsy shop with Printify and which products to start designing on Printify. Now, when starting an Etsy shop with Printify, another thing that you need to keep in mind is your marketing angles. So will you market your Etsy shop on Instagram, on TikTok? Will it be directly inside Etsy? So you will be really attentive of the keywords you're using, participate in teams, make sure your listings have favorites and views and they show up in search. So it's really important to think about the marketing aspect, search keywords, and so much more, so you can already see how you will start making sales. After researching, another great idea to make your Etsy shop really start getting in those sales is to add in personalization. And the best part is you won't have to do anything else other than just make sure those orders are being fulfilled by Printify. So when you go to a product, let's say you want to design a hoodie with a custom name on it, for example, Emily. So you create the design, it is really well written, everything is done. But when you go to the product, you enable personalization. So when that happens, and when somebody wants a different name written for that order, Printify takes that in, makes the personalization happen, and sends the personalized item to your customer. It is a super simple way to start making even more sales with your Etsy store, especially since personalization is so huge on Etsy. So since you don't have to take care of the logistics of packing the products, personalizing them, and all those things, that means that you have plenty of time to focus on keyword research and marketing. So start a TikTok account for your Etsy store, start researching Google Trends too, start an Instagram account, and make sure to listen to your target audience. What kind of problems do they have and which type of products would they love to buy? Once you get some listing views, listing favorites, you can even test Etsy ads to boost your store even more, and also start using Pinterest. Another thing that I suggest you do is order a few samples of the products that you're selling in your store and take some really good photos in your brand's aesthetic by yourself at home with models and all those things, so people can really see how the product looks in real life. Mockups are great too to get started, but if you want to take this to the next level, I suggest adding personalized photos as well. So if you're an Etsy seller who wants to automate their shop, Printify is the easiest way to do it. No more hard work, no more inventory or stock issues, and you can just take care of your customers and of your marketing strategy. So if you're ready to get started today, make sure to check out Printify at the link in the description and give Printify Premium a try. If you've enjoyed the video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!